Learn English with Allicia.
Are you hungry?
A little.
Let's order pizza.
Great idea.
I will call the pizza restaurant.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, Pizza House. How can I help you?
I would like to order a pizza, please.
Sure. What pizza would you like?
One large pepperoni pizza, please.
Anything else?
Yes. One small cheese pizza, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes. 2 bottles of cola, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Michael.
What is your address?
25 Green Street, please.
Thank you. Your order will arrive in about 30 minutes.
How much is it?
It is $25.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Is the pizza coming?
Yes, it will be here in about 30 minutes.
Great! I can't wait.
Me neither.
I think that is the doorbell.
I'll get the door.
Hello, pizza delivery.
Hello?
Are you Michael?
Yes, I am.
Here's your order.
Thank you.
The total is $25.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice meal.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Is the pizza here?
Yes, it smells so good.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Let's put it on the table.
Okay.
Here is your cheese pizza.
Thank you.
Here is my pepperoni pizza.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. You too.
This pizza is very tasty.
I agree. I really like it.
We should order from this restaurant again.
Yes, it was a great choice.
Are you full?
Yes, I am.
The pizza was really good.
I liked it very much.
Do you want another piece?
No, thank you. I'm full.
Me too.
We have some pizza left.
Yes, let's save it for tomorrow.
Good idea.
I will put it in the refrigerator.
Thank you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Should we clean the table now?
Yes, let's clean it together.
I will throw away the empty boxes.
I will wash the plates.
Everything is clean now.
Great job!
Thank you for ordering the pizza.
You're welcome. We should do this again sometime.
Yes! It was a wonderful evening.
I had a great time too.
Why is your shirt dirty?
I dropped cola on it.
Again?
It was an accident.
You are always spilling something.
I know.
When did it happen?
A few minutes ago.
Were you eating pizza?
Yes, I was.
Did the pizza fall too?
No, only the cola.
Is your shirt wet?
Yes, a little.
Go and change your shirt.
Okay.
Put this one in the washing machine.
Sure.
Do you need a clean shirt?
Yes, please.
Here is a blue one.
Thank you.
Does it fit?
Yes, it does.
It looks nice on you.
Thanks.
Be more careful next time.
I will.
Good.
I hope I don't spill anything again today.
I hope so too.
I'll be extra careful from now on. What are you watching?
A funny movie.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really interesting.
What is it about?
It is about two friends.
Is it a new movie?
No, it is an old movie.
Who is your favorite character?
I like Ben.
Why do you like him?
Because he is very funny.
Can I watch with you?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have popcorn?
Yes, I do.
Great! I love popcorn.
Would you like some?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. A glass of juice.
Orange juice or apple juice?
Apple juice, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The movie is very funny.
I told you.
I'm glad I watched it with you.
Me too. This is fun.
Let's watch another movie after this.
Great idea.
The movie is over.
Yes, it was really fun.
Did you like it?
Yes, I liked it a lot.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome.
I had a great time.
Me too.
I think I should go home now.
Okay.
It's getting late.
I'll walk you to the door.
Thank you.
Do you have everything?
Let me check.
Do you have your phone?
Yes, I do.
What about your bag?
Yes, I have it.
Your jacket is on the chair.
Oh, thank you.
Here you are.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I'll call you when I get home.
Okay, please be careful.
Don't worry, I will.
How are you going home?
I'll take a taxi.
That's a good idea.
Thank you again for today.
It was my pleasure.
See you soon.
See you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye. Have a safe trip home.
I'm home now.
That's good to hear.
Thank you for asking.
Was your taxi ride okay?
Yes, it was very good.
I'm glad you got home safely.
Thank you.
What are you doing now?
I'm changing my clothes.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Me too.
But I really enjoyed today.
I enjoyed it too.
The movie was very funny.
Yes, I laughed a lot.
Me too.
Did your family ask where you were?
Yes, they did.
What did you tell them?
I told them I watched a movie with my friend.
What did they say?
They said, "That's nice."
That's great.
Thank you for the popcorn and juice.
You're very welcome.
Next time, you can come to my house.
Really?
Yes, of course.
That sounds great.
We can watch another movie.
I'd love that.
Or we can play board games.
Good idea.
It will be fun.
Yes, I can't wait.
Okay, I should sleep soon.
Me too.
Good night.
Good night.
Sleep well.
You too. See you soon.
Learn English with Allicia.